Let's go inside the ICIE. Do you recognize here? It's someplace in Europe, actually in France. Maybe that is quite iconic for that area. So it's actually Grenoble.
Oh, Grenoble.
Yeah, this is Grenoble in France, and we can walk. So I can choose a walking direction. So for example, this green dot now indicates that I'm using a keyboard for the walking, and this green dot shows our orientation. So if you want to walk this street, I can now control and walk in this street. So it's basically.
I remember this small square.
Do you know that one? Yeah. So
I spent 1 year over there. For the other.
Yeah, great. Yeah, so I guess it changed very much, isn't it? But maybe these buildings are quite old, so they should not have changed too much. But yeah, Nishida Sensei actually told me that, so I was wondering which location is nice. So I choose a Grenoble for this, and yeah, so I think this is quite iconic place. So I was choosing so which place is nice for Grenoble University or this. But this is probably city center, right?
Yeah. Did you come from Grenoble?
I'm not. I'm from Germany. I'm from Germany. Yeah. So I have not visited Grenoble before, just virtually. So I was choosing which is a good starting place. So I decided it was nice you recognize that place. I'm very happy about that. Yeah. So basically, we can choose any direction to go, and Google has covered a lot of the city, so we can walk anywhere. Like for example, we can decide to go in this direction. So this works pretty well. And we can also jump other locations. So now if I push a button, you will be in Japan. Do you recognize that one? It's very near to here actually. It's around Tenryu-ji in Arashiyama. So we could also do the same thing, so we could walk the different streets, but what I want to actually show you today also is that we are not alone. So we have two ICs also connected to this one at Yoshida campus right now. And in these two ICs, we have Nishida Sensei and one student of us who helped us to develop, and I want to welcome them. Hello, Nishida Sensei. Hello, Divesh Lala. Sorry, we cannot hear you. Now we can hear you.
Nagao 先生、大変ご無沙汰しております。今日はどうもありがとうございます。彼はニュージーランドからの留学生でディベッシュ君といいまして、このプロジェクトを手伝っていただいています。このプロジェクトはですね、世界のいろんな場所を楽しみながら会話をみんなで一緒に会話するっていうようなプロジェクトでございまして、今からちょっとその簡単なデモをご覧に入れたいと思います。
はい、ありがとうございます。
Nishida Sensei and Divesh, thank you very much for joining. So how about taking a virtual walk into Tenryu-ji? So it's a nice environment here. So let's go inside the temple. Okay, so let me change my direction. Okay, yeah. So let's start to walk inside. It's quite a beautiful place actually. Yeah.
You can go inside in a very slow way.
Yes. Actually, data in the Google is a kind of a discrete data. So every 10 meters we have a data point. So this explains this jumpy behavior, which we try to improve in the future. So we want to use that data actually to create a very smooth motion also. But if you walk slowly, it's something similar to walking motion. I think about 10 meters. Yeah. The temple is quite far away, so it's about 300 meters from the street. So we have to walk a lot. So at this point, I would like to go into our left direction and discover there's data available. So recently, Google updated their database. They use something called Street View Tracks, where people actually have a camera mounted in their backpacks and they are walking around. So they're not just using car data, car-mounted cameras. Okay, let's walk to that building there. So actually now I'm wondering which way to go. So Nishida Sensei, what do you think? Should we go to our right or should we go to our left?
Maybe right.
Okay, let's try right way. What can we find there? Oh, that's interesting, yeah. Some small buildings. Actually, I don't know what these buildings are, but this temple environment is very nice, very beautiful. I like it very much.
Yeah, I also like, I've never been to Arashiyama before, so this is new to me.
It's new to you?
Yeah, it looks fun. It looks very nice.
It's great. Now you don't need to go there actually.
Yeah.
In it already. Okay, so maybe some final remarks from Nishida sensei.
Yes. 長尾先生、今日は本当にどうもありがとうございました。このプロジェクトは外国の人が日本文化を学んでいただいたり、あるいは日本の人が外国の文化を学ぶといった、いろんな学習環境として使えるんじゃないかと思っておりまして、これから開発を続けていきたいと思います。今日はどうもありがとうございました。
ありがとうございました。
石田先生、どうもありがとうございました。
どうもありがとうございました。
ありがとう。
See you later.
See you. Yeah, we could also go.
どういうふうにしてインタラクションしてるんですか？
あれですか? So basically we are using now a Kinect camera. So by this camera we can scan a 3D model of your body and transmit that model into the other location. So then we render it on top of that imagery.
They are in real time?
Yes, yes. So they can hear you talking through microphones. Microphones are installed also in this camera. And the same is vice versa, so it's bidirectional. So basically now at this time still Nishida sensei can hear us. He's still
そういうことです。
Yeah, so it's really real time basically.
はい。全くリアルタイムで。
That's fantastic.
Thank you so much for your interest. Yeah, we are very happy.
石田先生、ありがとうございます。
長尾先生、どうもありがとうございました。
大変インプレッシブでした。
ありがとうございます。